Cravings don't care about your New Year's resolutions. They show up whenever they want. Late nights, busy afternoons, you name it. When you're craving something sweet, you shouldn't have to choose between flavor and your goals. That's why I'm hooked on Shameless Snacks. These gummies check every box. Low in sugar, high in fiber, and totally guilt-free. They taste like candy, but they're keto-friendly, vegan, and just 70 calories per bag. Whether it's a late-night craving or a much-needed pick-me-up during the day, Shameless Snacks are my go-to. They've completely changed how I snack and how I feel about it. So, are you ready to crush your cravings without giving up on your goals? Go to the TikTok shop and get yourself some Shameless Snacks. It's easier than ever.